Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pribadi Mumpuniadi. I'm from Polytechnic Negeri Jakarta. Today, I'd like to present my research. My research title is a simple, low-cost photocatalytic air purification test method. This research is a collaborative research between the Polytechnic Negeri Jakarta and the University Technology Malaysia. Let's begin with my presentation. So I divided my presentation into four parts. The first is the introduction, second, design and method, result, and finally, a conclusion. Now, let's move with the introduction. So as the background, during a COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of activities should be conducted inside a room. However, the existing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is not enough to maintain the indoor air quality. A pollutant, such as volatile organic compound or pathogen, cannot be reduced or eliminated by the normal HVAC system. Air purification by using photocatalytic oxidation or PCO method is one of solutions to deal with this indoor air quality problem and has been proved to degrade the VOC and pathogen effectively. The mechanism of PCO is use the UV light to catalyze the titania and produce the radical OH means. So the hydroxyl OH mean can change the VOC into more harmless compound and can also decompose the pathogens such a bacteria or virus. But we have some problem. The formaldehyde is a common VOC gas that can be found inside a room and affect the human respiratory system. To test the AP performance according this standard for the formaldehyde, we required a set complex, high precision and costly equipment. This method cannot monitor the formaldehyde concentration in real time. So we propose a design that has a simple way of carrying out the PCO test and can be monitored in real time. So our purpose, we design and construction the test chamber for photocatalytic AP test method. Second, measure the light intensity of UVA LED used in the reactor chamber. And the third, measure the degradation of concentration of HEHO or formaldehyde sample gas in the test chamber. Okay, let's move to the second part, the design and method. So first, this is the design of the test chamber. This test chamber is consists of the mixing fan, the pump to circulate the air inside, the VOC meter to monitor the concentration gas in real time, and this is the reactor chamber. Inside the reactor chamber, there is a PCO reactor coated by the titania. So in detail, we have the reactor chamber consists of the two UV lamp tray. In one tray, it consists of 20 LED, and in the middle, we put the PCO reactor. The UV LED has the wavelength of 390 until 400 nanometer with the power of 1.92 watt. And this is the detail of the PCO reactor. So the PCO reactor is coated by spraying method. The titania is the Ecolala permanent guard. And the HEHO or the formaldehyde is injected inside the chamber through this valve. And for the UV light intensity measurement, the measurement is conducted by this UV sensor. The sensor can detect the wavelength around 280 until 400 nanometer with the output range of 0 to 15 milliwatt per square centimeter. And the sensor position at the center of the both of UV lamp tray here, and the distance between the UV lamp is 1 centimeter, and the data captured every 3 seconds for 10 minutes. For the formaldehyde measurement, this is the measurement, we put the indoor air quality meter, the JSM 131, and this is the condition. We first inject air 10 mm, 20 and 30 mm contain the formaldehyde gas, and we observe every 5, 10, 15, and finally 20 minutes. And we measure the degradation of formaldehyde by using this equation. Now, let's move to the result. The first result, the UV intensity result. The average intensity of the UV LED is 0.99 with the standard deviation of 0.031. So this intensity is enough to make the photocatalyst reaction. And the second, this is the result of the formaldehyde concentration. So this is the initial amount, and this is the initial formaldehyde detection. And this is the after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, and 20 minutes. So if we plot into the graph, we can have the degradation concentration of the formaldehyde. This is our result. So in 20 minutes, the reactor can reduce 21.76%. And if we see the trend of the formaldehyde degradation, it has the linear trend. So finally, as a conclusion, the test chamber for testing the photocatalytic air purification test method was constructed, and the device consists of some equipment, as mentioned before. The intensity of UVA LED used in the reactor chamber is 0.99 milliwatt per square centimeter and enough to generate the photocatalytic reaction. The concentration of formaldehyde degrades linearly over time. For example, after 20 minutes of reaction time, the concentration of formaldehyde is decreased around 21% from the initial condition. That's all. Thank you for your attention.